how to make a game pass for please donate on Roblox mobile. So this is what we have to do. First, exit out of the Roblox application if you have it open and just load up Safari. Now from Safari we want to go to roblox.com, and here it will ask you to log in with your account, log in, and then we're going to click on continue in browser, and we're not going to click on continue in app. So select continue in browser. Now once we have done this, you will be able to see your friends and games like so, and here we want to click on create. Now from the creator hub we're going to click on the two A letters here, these ones that I'm clicking, and we will request a desktop website. Alright, so now what we have to do is click on our experiences here, or we're gonna select actually the three lines in the top left corner, and we will go into creations. Now from here we will select our game, so it doesn't matter which game we choose, just any game. And if we click on the three lines here in the top left again, we should be able to see passes here under monetization. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is click on create a pass. You can add a you can add a name. Actually a name is mandatory, so I'm gonna call it cool pass, like this. I meant that the photo is if you want to, you can add one. Alright, so here what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click on create pass. Okay, so we have just created the pass here, and we can click on it, and basically that's how you do it. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.